Hello and welcome to Tutorials Point. Today in this video we'll check what Facebook is all about. Facebook is a social media platform. Social media is associated with Facebook. We do a lot of social media marketing. Let's see what is Facebook, how Facebook works, what are the benefits and features of Facebook. Let's get started with it. What is Facebook? Facebook is the largest social networking platform in the world with over 1 billion users. Facebook is huge. Facebook has far and wide reach, a lot of and immense benefits that you can derive from Facebook both at the personal level and at the business level. How Facebook works? Facebook, we all know, is the largest social networking platform. Facebook actually helps you in creating profiles. You can create a personal profile, you can create a business profile, you can create an NGO profile, you can create profiles for any organization. Pages that can be created, and this is absolutely free. When you create the Facebook profile pages, you can actually invite people related with the industry that you are associated with it, so that they can come and like your pages and you can actually interact with them in generating the kind of business that is required for you. Businesses can promote their products, services and solutions in disseminating high quality information. You can post the text on your Facebook page, you can post podcasts, you can post videos, you can post audios, all these actually to the intended customers who are looking for the kind of services, solutions or products that you are selling. NGOs and other organizations are also on Facebook promoting their organizations. Now, Facebook marketing is very crucial and essential in today's world. Facebook is extensively used by different companies and organizations in reaching out to their intended audience. Your pages are discoverable in terms of the kind of services, solutions, products you are selling. You can connect with the other users in disseminating high quality information. Reach is far and wide. You can reach anybody anywhere in the world, and Facebook provides you high quality insightful analysis how your pages is doing, what kind of visitors are coming to your pages, the kind of engagement that you are having with your intended audience. The complete analytical information is provided by Facebook in the insightful analysis. Business goals, you can set goals, what kind of goals that you want to achieve as far as your Facebook promotion of your business is concerned. You can do a lot of research and see how you can actually optimize and improve the performance of your Facebook page. Design the page in improving the high experience of the users, and you can measure the progress by getting the insightful analysis. The entire process actually is helpful for you in marketing your business, your organizations, your firm on the Facebook. In conclusion, what we have seen in this video is what is Facebook, a brief explanation on Facebook and Facebook marketing. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you again.